Madam Speaker, the sister get up this afternoon. Open her mouth with the mother tongue. Speaker quote the rule book. Standing Order 6, 1964, and the colonial chain still fixed. 62 years of independence, yet the gavel still a chop the voice. She said me get up this afternoon fi make me first speech. Before she reach the end, the gavel come in with a screech. Standing Order 6 English only pon the floor. 62-year-old rule from when Britain run the door. We vote in Patwa every 5-year election. Patwa run, them can't win no seat without the mother language a come. But soon the mic reach garden house, the same vice get shun. Vote for me, beg you do, then in a chamber. Queen's English spun. Tongue tie, oh you free fi sovereign nation, but the language still no free. Oh you say independence yet, but no we chat free up the flag, but lock up the gate for the vibes there. Mama, them can't take we, them can't take we. Oh, mama, me voice nah leave, nah go nowhere. Oh, from my room town to Savlamar, the same. How we language and now we no feel no shame. Mama tongue, hear the call. Patwa Inna Parliament broke down the colonial wall. 36% of we can't describe one thing in English clear. 83% try the Patwa rhythm without no fear. So the sectoral debate a target really broadcast on PBCJ, but the people can't hear the policy. Professor, bring the petition back in 2001. Charter rights could have fixed it, but the giants let them run. Vice is a call for reform from before your little pick me born. Miss Lou tell we long time, no language inferior, none. Same Patwa we can't be used for we every race. The same tongue back preach redemption from the global stage. The same voice, Miss Lou put on the Cambridge PH. Bini Buju Coffee, the whole world know the language. So where them afraid that the mother voice make the people wake when the language of the street reach the gavel? The system shake. Spanish was alright 6 months ago in the chair. Patwa can't pass. You really think I'd fear? One language for the gets, another for we. Colonial mathematic, and it not add up to me. Standing Order 6 need for rewrite clean and plain. The proceedings shall be held in Jamaican and English. Write it again. Charter rights at the language class. Linguistic freedom, no. No more colonial power. Mama tongue, them can't take we, them can't take we. Mama tongue, me voice nah leave, nah go nowhere. From Maroon Town to Savlamar, the same. How we language, and now we no feel no shame. Mama tongue, hear the call. Patwa Inna Parliament broke down the colonial wall. Mama tongue, mother tongue, we tongue. 62 years a so-called independence. God in house must learn how to listen. Or every 5 years, the people kiss the ballot goodbye. Mama tongue, how we language, tell them.